Hello! How is everybody doing? Can you hear me? Yeah. How's it going, geezers? Alright? So, after, I love you too, Homer. After loads of fucking submissions, and me being bored as fuck in the house, everyone just sat down here like this. Wait, how the fuck do I turn this around? Everybody wave. Everyone's so boring. Everyone's very bored. I was like, what the fuck we're gonna do? So I was like, let's do an art competition. And I was like, I spent yesterday going through all the fucking drawings and all the paintings. And I just like, the thing about it is like, everyone is so fucking good. Like, I just want to say, if there were just too many, I was trying to scroll and it was giving me a little bit of anxiety. So we're like, down, Tom, everyone's asking, come over here. Everyone's asking for sexy Tom to come over here. And me, Tom, and Gav, come here. Fuck it, we don't get too close to me. I mean, we're all good. Because we've been stuck together and none of us are sick yet, so everyone's fine. We trolled your internet, didn't we? To pick our favourite ones. And then we're going to physically stick them to this fridge. Because this fridge is fucking boring. Fuck that fridge. Everyone's sanitising. Even though it was sanitised 2 minutes ago, so there's no point really, but just keep sanitising. Keep fucking sanitising. Oh yeah! Good to meet you! Sanitise, you fuckers! Sanitise! Come on!
Don't waste it.
Sanitise! Oh. Click it everywhere, all of your mates. Everybody! Sanitizer everywhere! Everybody, okay! First up, it's very apparent. This is by Psychotic Dominic. Bravo! It's very apparent. It says, fuck Corona. Tom, will you pass me the glue stick, please? My beautiful assistant. It's pretty amazing. Get your screenshots. Well done, Psychotic Dominic. This is fucking sick. It's dope. You got my shading on my hair perfectly. What are you doing? Can you stop? What are you doing? Oh, the glue sticking. So I'm going to glue stick the top of this because you can't get sellotape. So if anybody can't get sellotape in the store because it's a fucking apocalypse, glue stick. Duct tape. And then we're going to go, Tom, stick that to the fridge. Stick that to the fridge. Number one, yes, what an obed. Hello, okay. Great shading, incredible shading on that fucking picture. We like to see it. We like to see that rock and roll. Number two, because this just fucking blew my mind that this was done by a fucking, I don't know how it was done. It's like drawn in a fucking crayons. Done by crayons from, oh shit. Lauren H. I'm sorry, I can't read my own handwriting. Look at that. Look at that. You got me nose right. Look at me fucking nose. I love it. Get your fucking screenshots of me look like a knob. I'm a knob. I hope everyone's happy. I hope this is making everyone happy because this was actually real fun. So number two. Tommy got 2 glue sticks. Where'd you find them?
They're all in there, not mine.
They're in our sink. Hard. Sticky number 2 at the fridge. Tom, do it. We stand him. Oh my god, look. There's a live of a live. What the fuck? Number 2 at the fridge. It's getting more fucking colourful. Next up, inspired by the parents video, Texla 8. Well done. This was fucking sick, man. Because you got the Love You When You Marry Me bridge, and you got the fucking parents clock, and me, and you made me look like a panda, and slightly psychotic, which we like to love. Do you know what I mean? It's like Panda Dom. Everyone say hi to Panda Dom. Hello. Hello, Panda Dom. Fucking yes! Glue stick, one side to there. Can I do it this time? Yeah, will you film me doing it? Well, film me do it like with us. We're all so bored. At least Adam's supplying the fucking tunes. We've just been sat here listening to Sabbath. Look how cute this looks! It's kind of slightly vain on my behalf.
It's very vain on
It's
your
fucking
behalf.
well vain, so, do you know, when we do this in like, when we fucking do this in, I don't know, like, another time, draw some other shit. Not just me, because I don't want to be that vain, do you know what I mean? You're so vain, you probably think the song is about you. Drop some arts, ask me some questions so I can break this up. So I don't just want to be like, fucking, I like this one because it looks like The Simpsons. Someone made me look like a Simpson and gave me a girlfriend. Oh my god, I want one of those. Or a boyfriend, fuck it. Marty, it had loads of numbers. Marty, 82604-807 on Twitter. How fucking sick is that? In New York, sat on the wall, in me dress. In me fucking dress. Ooh, sailor. I love this, man. This is fucking hard. So sick, man. On me fucking glue stick. I need to stop saying fucking so much because my mum's probably watching this. But guess what? I'm stuck at the other side of the world, so you can't wash my mouth out with soap. Glue stick. I'll do it. I'll bloody do it. I'm actually enjoying this. Cute, man. I feel like you're fucking next to me. Ew, look at my fridge. Look at the fridge. Ah. Cool. Fucking next one. This one's amazing because this was like a hand fucking pencil charcoal thing. Fucking come on. Everybody drop some like clap emojis for... What?
Marlena.
Tom, read it. Who's it from? Hello, we have... up next, we have a...
It's Marlena. I don't want to say your second name wrong, I'm sorry. But it's
Marlena Malice. Malice, we
Malice,
love
why
it.
not?
Malice, we'll say Malice because it's hard. Everybody clap. Just, everybody at home just clap. Like a seal. So weird. Bro, the fucking memes of this shit, everyone's gonna be like... If you screen recording this, I'll fucking do nothing because I can't. I just cry when it's on the explore page later. Come on! Come on! I'm gonna see if I can do it on a selfie one with my nails. Wait, just gonna do it on my. Look at this. Fucking like, you're all so fucking good, man. If I was to draw, I mean, you've all seen me try and fucking... MTV has logged onto the track. Oh my god, how official. Oh my god. This is fucking sick. I love this because it's like gothic and kind of dirty, and it's my fucking heart out in the fucking page. Like, I would rip my heart out for you. I would rip my heart out for you as well. Joanna... Another mental number. How sick is that, man? It's like Tim Burton's foot. Boom. That sexy boy just sticking him to the fridge. Adam, come say hello. You little old. Adam's not got dressed in 5 days.
Showered though.
You have showered?
I was showered. You're the one that doesn't shower.
Hey? Thank you so much. Thank you for that. Thank you so much for that. You wanker. I have showered. Look at my fucking hair. It's wet. Hello, it's me. In regards to the Youngblood show, we're trying to make as much happen as possible, but we're stuck in a fucking house, so We're going to try and do one on Monday if we don't over the week after, but there will be another one soon because I had so much fun fucking making it. Next one, this is fucking crazy because this was done on pencil as well. Thank you so much, man. Who's this? I can't read your writing. What's that say?
Oh, it's like Katie.
Katie! Thank you so much, Katie. Fucking love ya. We fucking love ya. Tom, write that on the fridge. Okay, so how many more we got left? How many we done so far? We done 7. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left because fuck it. It was like, do you know what I mean? Why the fuck not? I love this one. This was crazy. Well done to I am Joe Joyler. I am fucking Joyler with your crayons in the background, so you know it was fucking real. Can't bullshit there. We can't fucking bullshit Joyler, can we? We can't fucking bullshit Joyler, can we? Let's go. Here we go. Whack it on the fridge. Boom. Everybody knows the way to my heart, don't they? You fucking lot know the way to my beating bloody heart. Someone Joker, and it's the Jack Nicholson Joker, so that's even fucking better. Thank you so much. How hard is that? This is Ada MSH something 99. Well done. Why so serious? Love it. Someone do Harley Quinn for me so I can put me and my girlfriend next to each other on the fucking fridge. This is just sick, man. I love that I've got no face. Do you know what I mean? I got no face. Is that mean too loud? I got no fucking... We just fucking stick this. Glue sticks to the fridge so that it's not coming off. They're never coming off. They're just going to stick to the fucking fridge anyway. So muscular. Just for all those like kids with like a leg fetish. It's just like, oh fuck yeah, man. Just sit like... I love it. We stand. We fucking stand. And this was done by Sid VNU. Well done, that's amazing. I fucking love that. Why glue, you say? Because we've got no fucking tape and we can't go to the shop because we're trapped inside. Things to do when you stay inside. Stick fucking pictures that the best people on the planet, your fucking family make for you. Keep making them. Just do it yourself. Do you know what I'm saying? That'd be fucking sick, actually, like fan-made competition. Where you stick... Everyone sends each other art over fucking the internet. And last but not least, I don't know who fucking did this, but it's incredible. Adam, you got to be here for this. So we had a bit of a little joke. We think... Tom, come here. Tom looks like handsome Squidward off SpongeBob. And... someone did it amazingly. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll, please. Drum roll in your fucking houses! World Wide Web! Worldwide Internet! Fucking drum roll, please! Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tom Pallen!
He looks so much like you.
He looks so much like you. Just give us the pose.
That's so offensive.
Give us the pose. Be a bit girly, come on. Be a bit girly.
That's as far as I'm willing to go.
Everybody, well fucking done. Whoever did that, please make yourself known. Flood this over the internet because we don't... Who the fuck did it, Gavin?
It's on Twitter.
It's on Twitter. We'll find it. We'll shout you out later. I promise you this is the best thing in the fucking world. Look how sexy he looks. You sexy man. Hey?
There's 2.
This is going above my bed.
This is going above Adam's bed.
Maybe hug it to sleep.
Hug it to sleep. Keep you warm. Keep me bloody warm. Shout out to Sabbath. I hope Ozzy's alright. We're sending love to Mr. Ozzy Osbourne. We've been jamming him all the fucking time. Tom, I think you should put the final one in the fridge.
I think it would only be appropriate.
It would only be appropriate. Sweet Tom. Buy the trash. Just get in the bin. Yay! Look how sick my fridge looks now! Thank you so fucking much. I'm going to stay on for a bit longer, fuck it. You want to see our house? Look. This is Mike. Say hi, Mike.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, but you're not even hi. Is he?
Very high.
I'm also high.
He's also high. You're like a little wise. You're like a little wise hobbit. You're like Samwise from Lord of the Rings. But honestly, guys, stay inside. We're only getting close to each other because we've been in here for